Put that down and eat your dinner. It's getting cold.
What is this crap?
It's Salisbury steak.
I hate it.
You do not hate it. You had it the other week and you loved it.
No, I didn't. I hate brown stuff. It's gross.
All it is onions and gravy.
I'm allergic to onion.
You are not allergic to onions. You had this last week, and remember I told you that it was my favorite when I was a little boy? And you said it was your favorite too.
I did not.
Yes, you did. Here. Try a little hamburger. Have a little bite. It's delicious.
Look.
What's the matter?
I think I'm gonna throw up.
No, you're not. Now you're going to eat your...
Yucky.
It's not yucky, Billy. Eat it.
Did you remember to bring the chocolate chip ice cream home?
Yes, I did remember to bring the chocolate chip ice cream home. And you're not going to have any of it until you eat all your dinner. And then eat your meat and your corn. Where are you going? Get back here right now. Did you hear me? You better not do that. You better stop right there, fella. I'm warning you. Hey! Did you hear me? Now you better listen to me. You go right back and put that back until you finish your dinner. I'm warning you, you take one bite out of that and you're in big trouble. Hey, don't you dare. Don't you dare do that. Did you hear me? Hey, stop. Hold it right there. You put that ice cream in your mouth and you're in very, very big trouble. Don't you dare go anywhere. Put it down right now. I'm not going to say it again. I'm not going to say it again. I am not.
You're hurting me.
You're a spoiled, rotten little brat.
I hate you.
I hate you back, you little...
I want my mommy.
I'm all you got.
Alright partners, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to the video, and check out my channel. Watch whatever you want. And I'll see you next time.
Yeehaw, cowboy!